So you move it down through the tension. It comes through the back to enter the tension completely. And it goes through this. So to put it the thread inside the needle, you have to draw the pulley downward gradually until the needle comes down below the wheeler. This wheeler mat that serves as a footbed in other machines. So you let the needle comes down a little bit below it so that you can see through and pass the thread inside the needle from behind. By this way, the thread is being passed correctly and it will prevent the thread from cutting. So we come to the shuttle part. You remove the cover plate. Then look at this. This press down the shuttle to the railer. So you bring it up. If you have a long nail, you can use it to remove. And if you don't, you can use a thin object to remove it. So you replace with the shuttle you want to use. Then you bring the rope forward a little bit and make sure it enters this line. So once it enters this line, you pull it out gradually and you return this clip. Then you return your cover. So you pull down the pulley so that you can bring out the thread. So now we have the two threads out. You can sew. So you can see.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.